What's up, guys? Welcome back to CVOtas. I'm Brian Geyer, and today we're trying to start up this MR2.
Alright, so we're going to try to roll over this MR2. It's been sitting for a long time, and we're just running basically a jumper wire. So we put some oil in it, and it's on the dipstick now, and that's really important. So we're gonna try to roll it over a little bit here. I'm gonna turn the key on. Make sure it's in neutral. And now we're gonna give it a shot here. I'm just gonna use this jumper wire. One cylinder sounds really weak, like really weak.
Yeah.
Because you can hear it through the exhaust, so it's like ready, boom, 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 and it only hits 3 times.
It smells like a burning tire.
I believe it does. Does it stink real bad?
Oh yeah, real bad.
Oh yeah, it does.
It smells like fireworks whenever they go off.
Oh, you know what it is?
What?
I bet. Go over there and watch that belt. Can you see this belt?
What belt?
So look down inside here. See that belt right there?
Yeah.
Okay, so focus your camera on there and see if it's turning whenever I do that.
See that?
All right, ready?
Yep.
It's turning?
It's turning.
Okay, well that's good. Okay. Okay, so wow. I don't know. I guess let's try to put some sort of flammable liquid in it and try it.
Like what?
Let's try to put a little gas in it or something, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if it starts up, we're
not gonna drive it.
Aw.
No, the injectors aren't hooked up or nothing. There's no harness to it.
Wasn't the engine locked up?
No, well, I thought it was, but it isn't now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So we got gas in this here bottle, right? I put a little hole in the top of it. We're going to dump it in this hole. It goes into the throttle body. And now we are going to try to start it here. Oh! Oh my God!
Whoa!
Holy shit!
What shot out of there?
Oh my God!
That was.
We got spark, so that's fantastic. Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Okay, so that was exciting for a second, right?
Oh my God.
Let's try to start it one more time like that and see what happens.
I'm staying far away. Yeah!
Golly.
That is insane. Oh,
Look,
now
out
it's
of time.
now it's smoking.
It
smells like a fresh firework.
That is
Scary.
I'm pretty sure it's out of time though.
Yeah. It's real.
I don't know why.
It's real scary.
All right, we're gonna play with it here a little bit, see what we can come up with, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Dang.
Sounds real bad now.
Yeah. It was just about to start. A while ago. Lots of smoke.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's take a break.
Take a break. Totally.
Okay, so I adjusted the distributor back here. This is the distributor, okay? And so I broke the bolts loose and I rotated it standing from the back of the car counterclockwise. So I don't know if that's right or not. Yeah, I wish I knew more about these engines. So I'm going to shoot some gas in it. If it's worse, then obviously we went the wrong way. But if it's better, then we went the right way. So there could be a safer way of doing this, but it's not really in my vocabulary very much. So here we go. Dang it.
Oh! It was so close. Like, it was just like, it's almost sounded like a motorcycle. But, yeah.
Let me try to turn that distributor a little more again real quick. Because it definitely sounded better. There we go.
Ooh, smells like gas.
Ooh.
Right by this.
Right by the gas, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, let's try that then. So I turned it a little more. Dramatically more. So we're going to try it again.
Yes.
Let's see what happens.
Dang! I thought it started up.
I thought it did too. That's why I
but
wanted
that
to
was
put
the
some more gas
flames. I was.
Okay. So I turned the distributor the opposite direction. So I turned it clockwise this time. Pretty well maxed out. So I'm going to shoot some gas in it this time. And we're going to see what happens.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Well, that definitely isn't better.
No, it isn't.
Okay. Well, we'll try again here in a second.
Yep.
We'll let that starter cool down, and we'll try again here in a little bit.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna try again here. I turned it counterclockwise again.
It won't stay on, but it starts. That's so cool.
Gosh dang it.
It's like cuckoo banana. Oh! 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 Oh!
Time now for what we learned in safety today at CB Yodas. Rule number 1. Don't take raw gasoline and dump it into an engine that you know nothing about, assuming that it will not potentially blow your eyebrows off, half your beard, most of your arm hair on your left arm, and some on your right. Today, we see the fireball. Y'all want to see it again? No? Will I watch that clip of the explosion over and over? Absolutely. And I hope you do as well. So, I nearly ruined my shirt. My Toyota hat is totally fine. And I almost pooped my pants. Okay. Well, we tried. We seen some serious fireballs.
Yeah.
We scared the poopy out of Brian. And he made me stop. So we'll try again another time when I figure out how the timing's supposed to be set up, because I obviously have no idea. So we'll. You think I was getting too much air?
Who knows?
I think that's what it was. I'm gonna do some research, and then we'll try again later. Okay. Hey. We'll see you next time, huh?
Subscribe.
Subscribe, he said. And like, guys, you know, if you like what we're doing, seriously, I mean, this is cool, man. We're just down here shooting fireballs.
And him losing his arm hairs.
A little bit of the arm hair, not a lot of arm hair. So, but seriously, if you guys like what we got going on, man, like, you know, click the like. Subscribe, tell your friends. We're doing all kinds of fun stuff. No, we're not like normal YouTubers and whatnot, but we're down to earth and you know, we just do this for fun. So, okay. Hey, we'll see you next time. Okay? Okay.